peanut butter. Good morning! Today's Friday, November 15th-ish. No, it's the 15th. And I ain't worried about nothing because we're gonna go to work and we're gonna work and then we're gonna come home and it's gonna be the weekend. And we're gonna dance and party because it's the weekend. We're gonna dance and party. Hair of the day. We just went with the bedhead. We give 0 cares. Well, the day. Naked palette. Matte colors. Because Friday is matte eyeshadow day. And on Fridays we wear black. Wednesdays we wear pink. Well, it's happening this morning. And I have to go pick up a package from the office because Lasership doesn't like to leave packages where I can get them when I get home from work. Because they suck. Hello, I'm in Target and we are shopping for, why am I here? Goldfish, but I can't find them. I don't know where they are. They would be by the snacks. Does your Target look like this? Found them. Okay, we like I like these kind, but they leave like little crumbs all over your fingers. You know what else I need? I don't think I really need anything. Oh, peanut butter. Peanut butter. I want to get a big one, but I got a small one last time and it ran out really fast, so maybe I should get the big one. It seems like so much. It's like, oh, it's $5. This is ridiculous. Let's see, what else do we need? I can't go in the makeup aisle because bad things happen there. They have Hello Kitty stuff. But I'm gonna be good and not get anything. Mi gente! I just got home. I went out to dinner with Brooke Teeny. We went to Joey D's Oak Room because we're fancy bitches. What was I doing? Oh, I was gonna put my cereal away. And I legit, like, this is what happened. I wish I had the camera. I opened the fridge, put the Lucky Charms in the refrigerator, walk away. I'm reenacting. And then I went, wait a minute. The Lucky Charms don't go in the fridge. I do the weirdest things in the kitchen. I was talking to my mom about it the other day. Like, I just do stupid stuff in the kitchen. Like, the other day I was cooking something in the microwave and I was over there, like, doing laundry or something. Why is my head itchy? That's weird. Pat your weave. Pat your weave. Okay, what was I saying? Yeah. What am I talking about? I feel like I'm faint. Okay, anyways, yeah. So the other day I cooked something in the microwave and I was over there doing laundry and it went beep, beep, beep. And I'm like, okay, cool, my food's done. So I come into the kitchen. I came into the kitchen. I'm doing a different kind of reenactment. Came into the kitchen, opened the fridge. Where's my food? It beeped. Hello, your food was in the microwave, stupid. I just been doing weird things like that, so I don't know if that means I'm gonna have dementia when I'm old or Alzheimer's, if it's early onset, or if I just have an issue with the kitchen. Like, a lot of times I'll put the milk in the pantry, or I'll put something from the pantry, like I'll put foil in the refrigerator, like just weird stuff. Your 30s are bad. Doing laundry at 12:30 in the morning is totally normal. Might as well just get it done. Because we gotta tackle that basket tomorrow. That. Let's just start. Why wait? So I'm gonna call it a night. Today was the best Friday ever. We got through our week. We were thinking positively, and we had a good week, and we're gonna have the best weekend ever because it's the weekend. How could the weekend not be the best weekend ever? Actually, there was one weekend that was not the best weekend ever. But hey, I learned a lesson. So, anywho, I will see you guys tomorrow.